Good morning, YouTube. This is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a project share. Now, I was online this weekend in the middle of the night, and I saw a video by Alexandra M, and she made this cute mini album. And I decided to make it. And of course, I went to bed like 3:30 in the morning. Didn't finish it, but messed up my project. But anyway, I'm still going to show it to you, even though it's messed up, because I think it's cute still. I wouldn't sell it or give it to anybody, but it's just something that I want to share because you guys may have not seen this. But what impressed me about it was the buckle, the closure. Because one thing about mini albums, a lot of times you have to figure out how you want to close it, how you want to secure it, and sometimes that can be challenging. So this is a quick project, and I will have her link below. Again, her name is Alexandra M, and she did this. This is her design, not mine. I just copied her tutorial, and in copying her tutorial, I measured something wrong. It was my error. Anyway, but I had a whole bunch of challenges on this mini album, and but I still finished it because I had cut some of the papers up and just wanted to make it work, and I just thought I would show it to you. So this is from the paper collection I got from Michael's, which was yours truly. This is a couple years ago, I think 2015. And FYI, you need to go through the packs of papers in your bodies because they never have 12 sheets, like they say. So it's 12 sheets double-sided. It may be 10 sheets, and it may not all be the same prints. So stuff is always missing out of these. I noticed the last couple of packs that I opened up. Just a sidebar to be aware. That's probably why they're in Tuesday morning. Anyway, so you have to have chipboard to do this album. Well, it is recommended. Well, I use some 110-pound weight cardstock, and for whatever reason, I've never had this happen. Not only did I measure the back a whole inch long, which is crazy because I was making two at the same time, and I have the base of this one, and I measured that one right. I don't know how I measured this one a whole inch off the back. So after I realized I measured a whole inch off the back, I had to cut it. I got an extra piece of white paper under here. Then my piece under here started cracking to put another piece. So it's a lot of little extra layers and stuff on it that I would have normally had on the album. So anyway, I ain't gonna put out all the million flaws, but I just want you to see the construction of the shape of the design of a quick mini album that you can make. And I fussy cut that out of the paper. This is a sticker from the paper. That's a sticker on foam dots. And that's the sticker that just added some bling. So the thing that was neat about it is that it just has this unique closure, which is just a buckle closure. So it opens like this. So, and it's just a little sticker in there. So again, that was the thing that I really liked about it, is that you close it like this by pushing it up. And you just push it down and open it. So I thought that was kind of cool. Now she does recommend you use some acetate in here, which you can probably see that glare because that's some acetate. And as for me, it's just some reused packaging that I scored and rounded the ends with my We Are Members Keeper rounder. And then here's the mini album in here. She also, used a little ribbon pull to get it out in case it was stuck in there. So, this is a 6 by 4 3/4. 6 6 3/4 by 4 3/4. So the biggest album in here really would be, you probably could do 4.5 by 6.5, but the one she did was 4 by 6. So I'm gonna show you that real quick. Anyway, that's the size from the paper collection. Real quick. And I could have used white to match this. I ended up using red because I was having so much problem with the white. Just some stickers and some bling, and this is very simplistic, nothing over the top, because the pictures in here would be like your Instagram photos or Polaroids and stuff, very small. And this is just an ephemera cut parts from the excuse me, paper collection. And these are just 2.5 by 2.5, so you put some 2 by 2s up here. All has been inked with berries, Festive Berries, I think the name is, by Tim Holtz. And of course this is left up so you can take a picture under it. Same with this one. And this is a 3.5 by 5.5, so you can put a 3 by 5 photo on it. Again, just make these pockets. And under here some stickers that say XO. XO. Some more stickers. So always kiss me goodnight. Postcard. And again, you can decorate it however you want. You can even make this a bigger one. I was just following her tutorial. to make it because I was just in would have hadn't made a mini album in so long. This says You and Me. That's another 2.5. That's another 3 one. Again, this was open. But I just wanted to make something really, really quick. You know, just to get back in that mode of making mini albums. And that's the back. So quick, simple, easy, just layering pages on top of pages, no fancy binding. So this is a very simplistic album to make for somebody who doesn't know how to do binding systems. And it's really quick to make. You just have to have your chipboard cutting it. And I think the problem was because normally I cut my chipboard with scissors. I mean with my cutting board, and I cut it with scissors, which is, I'm not the best cutter with scissors. Excuse me. And because I cut it with my hand, I think everything was cut off a little bit off scale. I was in the middle of making a construction and my blade on my Fiskars cutter flew off and went somewhere. I have no idea where it's at in the room. I had to go buy another one. So anyway, I had already cut everything and I already committed to it, so I still haven't finished it anyway. So, and sometimes, you know, people need to see that you make mistakes and it's not perfect, but that's okay. I still think it, you know, came out cute. Like I said, I wouldn't sell it or give it to anybody, but it was just something I want to make, so I have the construction idea in my mind, and just to see what it would look like. And so it's a real quick, easy mini album. Check out her link below, and if you're interested in making it, and I will be finishing the other one up and seeing how that one come out. Excuse me. So thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.